Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you another beautiful collection of macrame coasters. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video. All of them are very unique and different from each other, and you will find almost 35 plus ideas in this video. So just watch it till the end to get all ideas as well, because all of the ideas are very unique and their color schemes are really awesome. Most of the designs which I have included in this video are in round shape, and you will see other different shapes of designs. Mostly heart shape designing ideas are also included in this video, and you will see some square shape, and just a few of the designs are in rectangular shape as well. So all of these designs are unique, and I hope you're going to love them all, because almost all of these designs are beginner friendly, so you can easily make them with the help of macrame cord. 2 mm thickness of cord is just perfect and fine for making these projects, and soft cotton cord is well recommended for these kinds of projects. So use a soft cotton cord and make these stunning and attractive designs of macrame coasters. So give them a try and share your opinion in the comment box if you love them. If you know macrame work, you can easily make them just with the help of picture, because very easy knot work is done in these designs. So you can just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make, and make it by yourself at home with the help of cord. And you can purchase the cord from anywhere in the world easily from Amazon or Alibaba if you are wanting to make other different macrame projects and want to purchase the cord in bulk. So you can just give them a try and just share your opinion in the comment box if you want more ideas videos of different kinds of macrame work, because I upload all kinds of macrame projects ideas on my channel, and all other handmade ideas of different products as well, which are related to wearable accessories of women and kids and are related to home decoration ideas as well. So you will find huge collections of different handmade products, wall hanging projects ideas, rugs, table centerpiece designs, table runners, etc. And you will find tops, sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, and other different wearable accessories for women, and baby dresses, baby caps, shoes, and other accessories for babies. So you will find huge collections of all types of handmade products ideas and latest trends. So stay connected to get all of these ideas. And other than these kinds of ideas videos, I also upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel. So you will find crochet tutorial videos also. Stay connected. Thank you for watching. Bye.